doing, because I know I'm looking very pretty for Valentine's Day. Yes. I also have a video coming up. Yeah. Hey guys, it's Alan Lins and welcome to my channel. Yes. So we're back with another video this week and I'm going to show you guys my Valentine's Day little get ready with me basically. This is going to be a quick and easy little type of look that I'm going to do for someone that just wants to be kind of natural with their face, as well as just a basic two-step type of process. Not really, but with their eye look, it's going to be like 2 steps. So we're going to get started. Okay, so what I'm going to get started on is basically using a little bit of concealer. Like I said, I'm going to just make sure that everything is kind of smooth. I also do a little bit of moisturizer beforehand. I don't know why I'm grabbing the concealer. Like, I'm really going to do that first. Let me get my little stuff together. So what I use normally is the Farsali, the Skin Tube Blur. You know, let me show you. The Skin Tube Blur, it's in the blue bottle, bluish like teal bottle, and it's basically my moisturizer slash like pore like perfector to make sure that all my skin is very smooth. So we're gonna start with that to get it nice and clear. Yes, I got it in my hair, that's okay. And I'm just going to make sure that I moisturize. The next thing that I'm going to use as well is a regular moisturizer. I normally use the Shea moisturizer. It has like coconut, it's a jelly form, but it's also a type of a lotion. And it basically helps kind of also moisturize the skin and keep it nice and smooth so it can have a something to grab on for when I put on my concealer. Like I said, I'm trying to do a natural type of look today, so I'm not going to put a lot of makeup on like I try to, because normally I put a lot of makeup on. But yeah, I'm just gonna keep on massaging it into the skin to make sure that it is nice and clear and smooth feeling, and it is. So okay, now on to the next step. So right now I got my little beauty blender, which is dirty, I need to clean it, but yeah, I'm gonna just pounce onto certain spots that I think are dark and like have like a little bit of acne, and I'm gonna start there because I have dark spots, so this kind of helps clear them. And then I'm gonna just go in with my sponge and beat it into my face and basically just smooth out all the makeup that I'm doing. And if I need more, I'll go in and add more. But yeah, that's basically it. It's just making sure that it is all smooth and pristine and clear. I almost forgot, make sure you get your neck and your ears as well, because you don't want a reddish type of look on your body. So try to blend out your neck as well. Try to get it a nice little even mix so you can basically have a good looking base. But yeah, that's it for the first step. So now we're going to go into our eyeshadow. So I have the James Charles palette, as you can see, Unleash Your Inner Artist. I'm gonna use this palette today, and so the first color that I'm going to pick, let me get my brush. The first color I'm going to use is a transition shade. Normally I use a, let me get it up for you. I use this little light brown shade right here, and I'm going to dip that in with my little Morphe blending brush. And so we're gonna just go in with our little brush and we're gonna blend that in. Actually, let me get one here. Should already have this out, but yeah. We are gonna use our mirror to blend that out and buff it. Okay, so the next step that I'm going to do, which is going to take the darkish pink shade, which is right on the end of this color, and we are going to do that in our crease. So I'm gonna show you this. So yeah, we're gonna get in there. So I'm gonna just start at the base and just work my way in there. So you see it right now, how it's pink. We're gonna do that, basically, start that. Okay, I did more than 2 steps. I had smoked out the eye. If you don't know how to do a smoky eye, I might do another tutorial, kind of show you what I've done so far. But this is what I've done so far because I like the little darkness of it. So we're gonna do the last step, which is a little bit of sparkle and shimmer. So we're gonna do that next, so stay tuned. Okay, so to do that sparkle type of little inner corner eye effect more so, and also kind of looking like I cut my crease because I didn't, like I said, I took 2 steps, which was really 3 now because I added that darkness type of color into there, the little cranberry shade and a little bit of black. So we're going to now take our little setting spray. I use MAC Fix Plus, you know, just to use that, and then we're gonna spritz it a little bit, let it dry for a few seconds, and then we're going to take the nice little shimmer shade that is in the James Charles palette. I use this one in the second row. The second one, it's a light pink, and we're just going to basically put that in our eye right there to make it kind of a little cut crease moment. Even though I didn't cut the crease, it's to give it that effect. Yeah, so, and I'll show you an up close shot once I get done with it. Okay, so this is the full look. Yes, I added a little bit of blush to give it that pink Valentine's Day vibe, and I also did an ombre lip. As you can see, it's a little bit of a light pink with the purplish, like burgundy look. I used a little bit of Milani. It's the shade Obsession. And I also used a little bit of Drug Lord to give it that pinky ombre effect, and as well as the Fenty Beauty Vecre, as you can see. So yeah, that is the 3 colors that I did to make it a little bit lighter because it was a little bit too dark. But yeah, this is the look. It looks a little pretty. I love it. And like, I did a little bit of brows as well off camera because they were looking atrocious. So this is what they look like, and I'm still working on my brows. I mean, they look good, but they're not like perfect yet, and that's why I'm doing this only as an eye tutorial because I only know how to do eyes right now and a little bit of my lips. So that and highlight is my favorite thing. So we're just gonna end the video here, and thank you guys for watching. If you like this, also subscribe, and you know, just I keep telling you guys, like, there's a lot of new things that's gonna happen, and you see this, like, this eye look is a little bit crazy. Like it only took me about 6 steps to do this, and it wasn't hard. And I can show you quick way to get a wing like this real quick, and in another video probably. But yeah, this is cute, and I am so happy with how it turned out. And yeah, thank you guys for everything, and just love you. Yeah, I love this filter, so I'm going to use it to show you guys how it would look as someone with clear and beautiful skin, because like I said before, I do not have the most perfect skin, that is true, but it is beautiful even without this filter. And yes, I do love my filters, okay, but at the same time, I want to show you guys the real life effect of what it looks like. But yes, I still can blend, and I still can have a good ombre lip, and I still can have my highlight moment. As you can see, it's pretty, and also my little blushing moment. But yeah, because you know, a lot of people want to lie about their skin, and I'm not the type of person that wants to do that. So like I said, I want to take you on my journey, so I'm going to show you the real and what I love. So yeah, that's what I'm going to